Hello, my name is Karupasamy. I'm going to be doing my ninth lab experiment on system software and compiler. So this experiment is about YACC, yet another compiler. So we're going to perform basic arithmetic operations using the following grammar, and we're going to use YACC program for it. So I have this program over here. So first is the declaration statement. So here we are declaring all the, here we are including the header files, and then here we declaring all the necessary tokens. So this is number, and then we're including the arithmetic operator, that is plus, minus, into, division, and then power. And then after that we're giving the definitions. For the definitions, first this is for like printing the value that the user is entering, and the next one is so first in case the user enters a plus operation, we're giving dollar is equal to $1 plus $3. So $1 will be taking the place of the first operand, and then the $3 will be taking the second operand. um, uh, it will be stored in dollar and thus be printed. And then for minus, $1 minus $3. So for example, we give 50 minus 60 minus 50, we get 60 in $1 and 50 in $3. And then similarly for multiplication and division will be the same. For power, what happens is we'll give j as a $1, and inside it we'll give like for example, we give 5 power 2. 2 will be in the third position. So $3 will hold 2, and j will hold 5. Until this loop, I reaches 2, this for loop will go on, and j will be multiplied by with itself, and then finally a dollar will store j. So for example, 5 power 2, if we give 5 power 2, it will be like 5 into 5, and that value will be stored in $. So this is for the arithmetic calculations. And then over here, for example, if we give like a more than a unit digit, for example 10 or 100 or anything, what happens is the first digit will be stored in $1, and the second digit will be stored in $2. For example, we give 45. What happens is so 4 into 10 will be first calculated. So 40 plus the remaining second digit. So the second digit is 5. So 40 plus 5 will be 45, and it will be stored in $. So this is how we get the values for like more than a unit digit. So this is the definition, and then here we have the y by x function. So inside it we are getting c as a character, and then we're checking if c is a digit. And if c is a digit, what happens is we are minusing the ASCII value of 0 with c. So this ASCII value of c minus c will be stored in y by l pal, and then we'll return the num. So this is used for converting it into integer number. And then finally we have the main function. Finally we have the main function. So as you can see, this is the main function. We are calling the y by pass, and then if everything goes by, y by wrap will be executed, and if there's any other error, we'll get a return 1. So I'll run for the output now. So I'll give 60 minus 50, so the answer will be 10, and then I'll give another output, say 5 power 3, so the answer is 125. So this is how it's executed. Thank you for watching.